Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So today discuss about the previous year problems for NEET, JEE Mains and Olympiad level problems. Okay, the first problem, the two forces are such that the sum of their magnitudes is 18 Newton and their resultant is 12 Newton, which is perpendicular to the smaller force. Then the magnitude of the forces are, okay, two forces, so like in this way, this is F1, F2, F1, F2, two forces, and the resultant, this is the resultant R. So let us consider F1, F2 are the forces. F2 is smaller than the F1. F2 is smaller than the F1. The two forces are such that the sum of their magnitudes, F1 plus F2 is equal to 18 Newton. This is the equation number 1. The resultant is 12 Newton. At the right angle triangle, okay, right angle triangle, in this one, F2 square plus R square, F2 square plus R square is equal to F1 square. Okay, F1 square minus F2 square is equal to R square. F1 square minus F2 square is equal to R square. Okay, A square minus B square formula, A plus B into A minus B. F1 plus F2 into F1 minus F2 is equal to R square. The sum of two forces, the magnitudes of two forces is equal to 18 Newton. Okay, 18 Newton. 18 into F1 minus F2 is equal to R square. The resultant is 12 Newton. Okay, 12 square is the 144. F1 minus F2 is equal to 18 ones, 18 8. This is the 8 Newton. F1 minus F2 is equal to 8 Newton. Okay, this is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, F1 plus F2 is equal to 18. F1 minus F2 is equal to 8. Okay, these two cancel. 2 F1 is equal to 26. Then F1 is equal to 13 Newton. Okay, F1 is equal to 13 Newton, and this is a continuation in this way. F1 is equal to 13 Newton. The F1 value substituted in the first equation. 13 Newton plus F2 is equal to 18 Newton. Then F2 is equal to 18 minus 13, 5 Newton. This is the answer. Okay, very simple problem. The sum of two forces of magnitudes is equal to 18 Newton, and the resultant, which is perpendicular to the smaller force, This is the smaller force. That means F2 less than the F1. F2, the second force is less than the first force, At the right angle triangle, f2 square plus r square is equal to f1 square. f1 square minus f2 square is equal to r square, a square minus b square whole formula, a plus b into a minus b, f1 minus f2 into f1 plus f2 is equal to r square. Okay, then above value substituted in this formula from equation 1 and 2, from solving equation 1 and 2, then find out f1 and f2 values. f1 is equal to 13 newtons, f2 is equal to 5 newtons. This is the first problem. Okay, second problem, a light string passing over a smooth light pulley connects two blocks of masses m1 and m2 vertically. If the acceleration of the system is g by 8, then the ratio of the masses is. Okay, very simple. This is the pulley problem. First to draw the diagram. Okay, this is the m2 block. This is the m1 block. Okay, a light string passing over a smooth light pulley connected two blocks of masses m1 and m2 vertically. Okay, respectively, m1 is heavier than the m2, m1 greater than m2, m1 greater than m2. Okay, m1 is heavier than m2, m1 is goes down, the acceleration acting in the downward direction. Okay, m2 block is moving upwards, the acceleration acting in upward direction. Okay, the one force is acting along the string, that force is a tensional force T. This is also T. Okay, this is the free body diagram, this is the pulley diagram of the above problem. Okay, and the first two free body diagram, that equation of the m1 block. Okay, m1g acting downward direction. Okay, or direct step, m1g minus t is equal to m1a. This is the equation number 1. So why write m1g first? Because acceleration is acting downward direction. Acceleration is acting downward direction. Okay, because m1 greater than m2, the first write m1g. m1g minus t is equal to m1a. This is the equation number 1. The next equation in this one, first acceleration is acting upward direction. First write tensional force T minus m2g is equal to m2a. This is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, okay, t cancel, m1 minus m2 into g is equal to a into m1 plus m2, a into m1 plus m2, and then a is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g, m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Okay, in the acceleration in this problem, g by 8. G by 8 is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Okay, g cancel. Okay, remaining 1 by 8 is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, then continuation in this problem. Okay, 1 by 8 is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, in this one m2 is common, 1 by 8 is equal to m1 by m2 minus 1 by m1 by m2 plus 1, m1 m2 plus 1. Okay, cross multiplication m1 by m2 plus 1 is equal to 8 into m1 by m2 into 8 into m1 by m2 minus 1. Okay, 8 m1 m2 and m1 m2. Okay, that is the 7 m1 by m2 is equal to 9. m1 by m2 is equal to 9 by 7. This is the ratio of the two masses. Ratio of the two masses. This is the second problem. Third problem. Three identical blocks of masses m is equal to 2 kg are drawn by a force F is equal to 10.2 Newton with an acceleration of 0.6 meter per second square on a frictionless surface. Then what is the tension in the string between the blocks B and C? Okay, B and C. Then find out tension between the blocks B and C. Okay, this is a very important problem for Olympiad level and NEET level students. Okay, between A and B, draw the diagram. C, block B, block A. Okay, force. Okay, some force is acting, that is the external force acts on a body, block A only. The string is connected to 3 blocks. Okay, between A and B, the tensional force is acting, that is the tensional force T1. Okay, next B and C blocks, the tensional force is T2. T2 acting. Okay, T2 tensional force is acting between A and B. The tensional force, first tensional force T1 acting. Between B and C, the tensional force, second tensional force. Okay, because a frictionless surface, then A is equal to 0.6 meter per second square. Then F is equal to 10.2 Newton. Then M is equal to 2 kg. Okay, first to draw the free body diagram of block A. Okay, F is acting in this direction, then acceleration acting in forward direction. Okay, first write F minus T1 is equal to MA. This is the equation number 1. F minus T1 is equal to MA. Next, B and C, the blocks between B and C. First, the T1 minus T2 is equal to MA. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So by adding both those equations we get, these two equations are adding. The two equations are adding. F minus T2 is equal to MA plus MA to MA. Okay, here F is the 10.2. 10.2 minus T2 is equal to 2 into mass is equal to 2 kg into 0.6, 10.2, so minus 2 to the 4 into 0.6, 4 into 0.6, that is the 2.4, 2.4 is equal to T2, then T2 is equal to 7.8 Newton. This is the problem. It's a very simple problem.